To family, Just Answer is hiring. Just Answer is a platform where people all across the world come to get their questions answered. You can earn an average of $2,000 to $7,000 a month. Earn money when you answer questions in your field of expertise online. Set your own hours and work anytime, anywhere. How it works: make money doing what you love. Leverage your personal expertise to answer people questions and earn cash. Work anywhere, anytime, online. All you need is an internet connection and a computer or smartphone. Work as much as you want. Set your own hours and choose the questions you want to answer. Application process: there are no sign up fees. After the easy application process, we will guide you every step of the way, making it easy for you to help customers and earn cash. Apply online. All you need is a social security number, a valid identification card, background check. We work with third party verification firms to check your credentials, which takes a few days. Start making money. Once you are admitted, we'll give you the tools you need to start answering questions and earn cash. So, if you know someone who's looking for employment, let them know about Just Answer. If you want employment, all you have to do is apply for yourself. Frequently asked questions: how long does it take to become an expert? The application process usually takes less than 2 weeks in the USA and Canada, and less than 3 weeks elsewhere. This is plenty. This is partly due to professional verification handled by our third party firm. How will I know when I'm approved? We will contact you by email if and when you are approved. Will I have a scheduled shift? There are no scheduled shifts. You can make money, excuse me, you can make your own hours and work only when you want to. How I get paid: experts get their platform earnings every month through HyperWallet. You can choose or receive your payment through direct deposit, PayPal, Venmo, US only. Do I choose my own customers and questions? You always get to choose which questions you want to answer. So let's take a look right back at the top and see what mostly questions that people actually have. It says appliance and home improvement, appraisals, boats, cars, computers, customer electronics, engineering, finance, heavy equipment, homework, law, medical, pets, veterinary, and wellness. So all you have to do is to become an expert for Just Answer is put your first and last name, email address, telephone number, and they'll reach out to you within 2 weeks. So If you know someone who is looking for employment, they want to work online, just answering questions without doing hard manual labor work, this will be a great job opportunity for them. So, if you found any value in this video, please consider subscribing to the channel, hit the like button, and leave me a comment.